Alright guys, got a CN train.
Hello everyone, Pace the Rail Fanny here. We got a CN train coming here at the Ford Avenue crossing. We're filming inside the car because we got bad weather coming through the area.
A thunderstorm.
We just want to stay safe. So here comes the CN train, guys. We got CN 3018 as the lead unit. And 3078 for the trailing unit. This might be Q116, I believe. Yeah, the train's heading down towards Wyandotte Avenue and Oak Street. Alright guys, the end of the train is right down there. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Alright guys, signal should be shutting off.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more Rail Fanny videos, so stay tuned guys. This is over and out for now.
Alright guys, stay tuned for our next train video, so stay tuned.
Well, at least